A child's dream at risk. Shamim's story. This is a truly heartbreaking story. Shamim is a young boy with a strong desire to go to school and build a better future. He dreams of learning, wearing a school uniform, and sitting in a classroom, just like other children. But after his father passed away, everything changed. There is no one else in the family who can earn. To survive, Shamim risks his life every day by climbing tall, thin trees to pick fruits and sell them. One small slip could cost him his life. When he sees his friends going to school, his heart fills with sadness. He wants to join them. He wants to study. But poverty has forced him to choose survival over education. His home is in very poor condition, and the family struggles every day just to have enough food. Your small support can change Shamim's life. With your help, he can return to school, live safely, and dream again. A little kindness from you can turn his pain into hope.
আমি মারা যাওয়ার পরের থেকে আমার ছেলের লেখাপড়া বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে। আমার সংসারে কামাই করার মতন কোনো উপায় নেই। আমি চাই আমার সবাই আবার স্কুলে যাক, তার সুন্দর একটা ভবিষ্যৎ হোক। এই অন্ধকার জীবন আমি চাইনি। সাহায্য যোগিতা করলে আমার সবাই লেখাপড়া চালু করতে পারবা, সবাই আমাদের সাহায্য করবা। আল্লাহ আপনাদের সবাইকে ভালো করুক।